Hey guys, welcome back to the unknown. So today we'll be looking at the smallest seamless cube, world record 3 millimeters by 3 millimeters by 3 millimeters. So let's have a look. This is not standard size. It's not even there. In the thumbnail you can see this 3 millimeters. I don't have a standard size. This is slightly smaller than standard size. This is much bigger than standard size. So this one is from I think around 20 or 21 by 21 centimeter paper. This is actually from sliding cubes. I'll leave a link in the description. You basically attach these and they will slide. So just taking the seamless cube part of it. Well, it looks nice. So yeah, this is the big size. Yeah, I can't spin it, but okay, that works. This is slightly smaller, 0.6 in side length, edge length. I think it did spin. I think it did. Yes. Not sure if it can spin. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop trying. I can't do that. And here is a slightly smaller one. I cannot spin these ones. These are too tiny. This is 1/4 and fit 8 of these in this. I will try it one day. I will actually try. I will gonna keep. I think I'm gonna make a bunch of these. I'm gonna make 16 of these, stuff them in these, and then stuff these in these. And the box will just be really cool. It'll be a lot of storage. It'll be much heavier too, and like there'll be a lot of paper inside. I'm gonna use these because these are smaller than this. Oh, actually, we should talk about this later. Let's focus on this one first. This is 1/4. So 8 of these can fit, as I said, theoretically. I'm pretty sure it's also possible, but I will try it and I will get to know if it's actually possible. So this is the one. So when I made this first, I thought there's no way this is going to be. I thought this is going to be the world's smallest if it's possible. Well, so this is the best attempt I've had to insert the snap locked edges. I can do it better now, of course, after I've made the other small ones here. But yeah, so first when I made, I thought it's impossible to get the snap lock because I never got it right. It was always a little off. But that time, even on big cubes like this, my snap locks would be off. This one does not have a snap lock, but like even on this, snap locks would be off. I mean, that's reasonable. You can say it's a little smaller, but even on the big ones, my snap locks were not coming. But now since I made these with proper snap locks, I can make anything. I'm basically as good as Ronald Shima, same professional level, maybe even better, because I have a little. I'm not saying I'm better than him, okay? I'm not trying to say. I'm just saying that there's this mechanism to get the edge more right. I mean, he is basically better, but I think I can make this as well as him. I don't think I can make it better. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. So yeah, this is one of my best attempts. It used to be when this was in the days when I could not even make it on big cubes, the snap lock. So this was pretty hard to do at the time. I was like, wow, but now I can get this usual. And this is the 1/4. So let's keep these here. Now let's get to this. So I just had this very crazy idea of going even smaller. So the first time I tried, the edges were fully off, and I was like, no, okay, this is gonna be the only one, and this cannot go smaller. And then on second attempt, this is my second attempt on making it, and I got snap locked edges perfectly, just perfect on this. And yes, 8 of these can fit. So the reason I was saying is this is 1 millimeter smaller, basically 5 centimeters. I mean, sorry, 0.5 millimeters on paper size and 1 millimeter on the edge length. And this is my first attempt. I haven't even tried to make a second or third one, but I will make 16 of them to fit into this thing. So yeah, I will do that. But you can see my first attempt, full nice snap locks. It won't take too much time and it won't take too much paper. So yeah, these are my 2 attempts. I think I will just go with 16 of these because I want to try it. If I can, what I'm going to try is First, I try 8 of these. If I can fit 8 of these, I'll open it up and I'll start keeping these in. If I can't, then I'll just try to push it in and I'll use these. That's simple as it goes. So yeah, that's going to happen one day, not going to happen anytime soon. It's going to be part of my origami projects. So I have 4 origami projects pending. And yes, so in case you are a Lego fan, 2 things. First of all, Lego is on my channel. And second thing, you must know Saria's Bricks and Pets. I know I'm going off topic, but Saria's Bricks and Pets, he makes a monthly review. I mean, like monthly, I don't know, whatever he calls it. And yeah, so he like kind of tells all of his Lego projects across the progress. I'm going to do that for origami. I'm going to do it for the whole channel. So this is going to be the 5th project I'm going to be making, and this will be done pretty fast because I really want to make this. Other ones have been pending for a year, but I've tried to complete them. So yes, the point here is we have the smallest cube. Now the important question is, can we go smaller than this? And yes, we can definitely go smaller than this. I'm gonna go 1/5 or 2/5 of a millimeter. No, I'm gonna go 1/5 or 2/5 of a millimeter smaller. I know it's really less, but at least it'll be smaller than this. I tried to go 1 whole millimeter smaller than this, and it's not possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. So maybe if I find that 4 GSM paper, which I don't know where the people get it from, I'll leave a link in the description. The person named Fearless Flourish, yes, that person got 4 GSM paper, and he said 1.2 GSM paper also exists or something. But I tried searching and I could not find where to find 4 GSM paper. If I find 4 GSM, I can make this. Or if I find the transparent paper they used to make the smallest Ryojin 3.5, I'll leave a link to that too. That was also by Fearless Flourish. He didn't make it, like he made the video on it. But yeah, if I find that paper somehow, I can also make 1 millimeter smaller. Won't be any problem. I did actually make it twice, but like, you know, the edges were not really right. I'm pretty sure it's 100% I can make 1 millimeter smaller, but you cannot go smaller than that. The size would be 2 millimeters. You will not be able to go smaller than that. I'm pretty sure if you like try a lot, you can go 1/5 of a millimeter smaller. That means 1/4 by 5 millimeters of a side length. That's the smallest you can go. I can bet you cannot go smaller than that. If you have 4 GSM paper or like very thin paper, and by very thin I mean very thin, 4 GSM or like the paper used for Ryojin 3.5, the 27 centimeter one. If you find that paper, I dare you to make it lesser than 1/4 by 5 millimeters. Basically multiply by 5 if you want to get the side length. I don't want to do it right now. Wait, fine, I'll just do it. That's 9 millimeters side length. I mean, that's 9 millimeters paper length basically. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, and I hope you realize that this is not clickbait and this is really something to consider. Let me bend this a little bit. Yes, looks nicer. And thank you for watching, and bye bye.